right here's a midstream look. I think I'm gonna, you see my fire break here. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and burn this edge. And I'm not a big fan of burning. I was telling Sharon when we get that dozer, try out this new torch. Well, the igniter worked. There you go. Didn't need that. Perfect wind. Let's see, it should catch. This stuff should be real good and dry. And then off. Another good investment, Harbor Freight. I think this time it's going to go. I think this time it's gonna go. It's cold, it's 20 degrees out today. Baby's hot. Alright, here's a midstream look. I think I'm gonna, you see my fire break here. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and burn this edge and get that over with. And so I'm widening out my fire break. I got this little patch here and I got a dirt lane both on two sides, and then I want to start the rest of that slash pile up there. Finally got some of the bigger stuff going down here. Took a little coaxing, but I mean these big stumps and trees ain't gonna burn up, but for the first burning we'll get rid of a bunch of it. If I can get this big chunk to go up here, that would be nice. Got perfect wind right now for this. There you go, burn away from my fire break. Perfect. I'm not a big fan of burning. I was telling Sharon, when we get that dozer, I will probably just push piles like over the little cliff edges and stuff. You know, you hate to be the one to burn a dang forest down. But this was a little too much with the equipment I have to get rid of this. All right, these are mostly just brier piles right here. They just finally caught. So this, I'm just burning to the edge of this, my next fire break there. I really don't want this pond dam to go up, but we got the driveway there as a fire break. It would be nice to burn it, but I'm not that brave. Just like I said, because I don't like fire. So I'll peel all this off with an excavator, and then if I do burn it, it's just going to be in one pile. Man, it looks like a war zone. Alright, I'm going to keep an eye on this, make sure it don't go nowhere. I mean, I could do a bucket drag down here. I don't like doing that, but with a small flame load, fire load, you can do that. I mean, like this edge, a lot of it I just snuffed it out with the bucket. But I can just as soon rather just burn it to my fire break and be done with it over here. Almost there. Let's see if it can jump that little dirt patch, right? See, I got a little bitty patch that I missed there. Then I got more dirt on the opposite side, but I don't think it can jump that 18-inch gap there, but we'll see. Alright, that's where I'm going to wrap it up for today. I just tried restarting this locust and that locust, and they ain't going. But it's a good start for the first burn. When it all goes out, I'll push it into one more pile and do it again. It's going to be a pretty pond dam, man. If you remember, this whole pond dam was, I did a little mini series on it, was woods. This whole thing was all woods. And now I got it to where I can bush hog it. I got a lot of seed planted on it, but we got a bad drought. There's my beach down there, but the whole thing looked worse than that. So progress, one little bit at a time. I'm in the wrong wind direction here. But yeah, I'll let this get out of the wind. Let this burn out. I think we're good to go now. This is my only real worry right here. So I'm glad that it's all burned down and no more fuel.